Today I'm going to be talking about a very special and very effective tool on Azure Cloud Security, and it's called Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So basically, Microsoft Defender for Cloud is a cloud security posture management tool and a cloud workload protection platform. Basically, what it does is provides vulnerability assessment and remediation for your resources hosted on the cloud. This is one of my favorite tools, one of my favorite security tools on Microsoft Azure. And I'll tell you why. Basically, because it's unique, it has unique features, right? And one of those major unique features are one, it can be used both on-prem and on the cloud. Yes, it's a cloud security tool, but you can also use this tool, Microsoft Defender for Cloud, to, secure your on-premise resources, So also it can be used, it's a multi-cloud solution. That is to say that you can use it on other cloud platforms like GCP, AWS, although it is an Azure service. Now, but before you can do that, you have to integrate your resources from those other cloud platforms with the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. And you can achieve this by deploying what we call the Microsoft Arc. It's a tool that helps you deploy resources from your other cloud service providers to be monitored by Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Now, one of the good things about the Microsoft Defender for Cloud is the visibility it offers you to your resources. Now, it does this by providing what we call a security posture score. And the higher the score, the lesser vulnerabilities and threats you have on your environment. Now, the lower the score, that means you have more security threats and vulnerabilities to deal with. But one amazing feature about Microsoft Defender for Cloud is that it just does not point out these security threats and vulnerabilities to you. It actually gives you real life recommendations of what you need to do to increase your security posture. And it makes these recommendations available to you and tells you which one takes priority and which one is going to improve your security posture score the most. That's an amazing feature right there, I believe. And so the recommendation that the Microsoft Defender for Cloud offers, it actually comes from what we call is a Microsoft Security Benchmark. Now, the Microsoft Security Benchmark is a set of rules and guidelines for best practices and compliance best practices on cloud technology. It offers you guidelines on how to implement the best security practices on your cloud environment, and this cuts across other cloud environments to not just Azure, right? And another good thing about Microsoft Defender for Cloud is it gives you the ability to set real lifetime alerts. Now, what these real lifetime alerts can do is, once a security threat or vulnerability has been detected, it makes you aware that this security threat is detected, and you can react faster. It gives you time to respond and try to mitigate that incident before it escalates or gets out of hand. And Microsoft Defender for Cloud basically, it's going to continuously assess your infrastructure and your environment once you integrate it. Now, if you add new resources, Microsoft Defender is going to go ahead and scan those new resources that you have added to your that you have deployed to your cloud environment, and if it finds any security threats or vulnerabilities, it will go ahead and send you a notification letting you know that this new virtual machine, this new blob storage account that you have just deployed has XYZ security issues that needs to be fixed, and it will also give you an outline of recommendations of how to go about fixing those security issues. So that's just an overview of Microsoft Defender for Cloud. The major things I'd like you to take out of the video is that it is a cross-cloud platform. It's a cross-cloud platform service. You can use it on other clouds apart from Azure, and it's also it can be used on both on-premise and Azure infrastructure to secure your resources. As usual, there's going to be links attached to this video that you can use to get some more insight on Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Thank you for watching today, and see you on day 4 of 10 days of Azure Cloud Security Technologies with Francis. Thank you. Bye.